JoJo hits a string, there ain't no telling who he'll meet. He goes back and forth all about town. Talk to me, he'll talk to you, he'll ask you what you like to do. Do you play bingo? Do you like to dance? Now JoJo knows where community grows.
How long have you been playing tennis at the Veltri Center?
19 years.
19 years?
Yeah.
So were you originally a tennis player before starting here, or was there somewhere where you started to learn tennis?
No, I retired, but I played tennis when I was much younger.
Okay.
So I started coming back after I retired.
How long have you been coming out to the Veltri Tennis Center?
It's been 11 years now.
Were you a tennis player before you started coming out here, or was this somewhere you wanted to give a try, or were you already playing?
Well, I hadn't played in over 30 years because I was working, teaching. I had 2 sons that I was bringing up, and so until I retired, I didn't really have the time to play.
Okay.
So once I retired, I actually went in my neighborhood to a park, and someone said to me, "Oh, there's a better park. Go to Veltri." And so I said, "Okay, I'll try it." And everybody here was so warm and welcoming, and it was wonderful. And I've never stopped coming since.
Are you more of a singles or doubles?
Doubles.
So you're 4 or 5 days a week, you're out here, so it's like religious coming out here.
Pretty much, yes.
Okay.
It's the best tennis court, clay courts there are.
So what do you like most about this tennis center compared to other places that you've tried out?
I think the fact that it's like a family, a big family here. You know, we all are there for each other. If anything, you know, if anyone gets sick or injured or are happy, you know, a happy occasion, you know, we do a lot of celebrations. We're there for each other. Everybody is very nice and accommodating. In fact, when my husband retired, we were going to go up to Vero Beach, and we liked Veltri so much that we decided to buy a house in Plantation, and that's what we did.
So you stayed here because of
That's it.
the set tennis there.
Yeah.
That's a wonderful thing. For anybody that has never played tennis, that's kind of shy away from it, what would you tell them to come out here and get some lessons or try it out?
Take lessons out here because we have plenty of pros out here that teach them, and that helps a lot. And then meeting new people to get in the games that they can play, you know, during the week with other people.
With the game of tennis, all right, a lot of people like to say the noises women and men make when playing aren't necessary. Is it necessary to make those grunt noises?
Not in my opinion, no. Not at the level we play at.
Plantation Parks and Recreation,
where community grows.